Folks, court is staying in recess.
I don't have court today? Great. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah. She just said that. And Judge Simpson, you'll see, does not appreciate it. But the guy in the bottom, this Christopher guy, he's really enjoying it.
And I think if you're going to use that language, you probably don't.
Sorry, I didn't know I was on. I didn't know I was on
You
muted.
probably don't want to have court. You will not talk that way in my courtroom, ever. Am I clear?
Yes, I didn't know I was on
Find
muted.
out if
Sorry.
she's on my docket, because we're going to have some other business. Court is
Is
staying in
on your
recess.
10 o'clock time block, Judge.
All right, then you better be ready to explain your behavior, ma'am.
I apologize.
Ooh, he didn't like
How
that.
do I get off? Excuse me, do I have court today?
Mr. Montgomery, thank you for asking nicely and not deciding to swear in my courtroom. You're not on till 11 o'clock, man.
The 14A District Court for County of Washtenaw, State of Michigan is now back in session. All those having business before the court draw near. The Honorable J. Cedric Simpson presiding.
Court will order defendant is referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report. I will, for the purposes of the report not being complete, waive that referral fee. I will adjourn her sentencing to February 9th, 2022 at 9 a.m. or as your time is indicated on your Zoom invite. I am signing an order that the defendant is to report to community corrections within 24 hours to begin her weekly random testing. I am also going to order, because the defendant's conduct was abhorrent as we were attempting to try to take a break. She is swearing in my courtroom. That will never happen. I'm assessing $250 for her swearing in court. When are you going to pay that?
I'm sorry. I'm currently at home in Division right now. First of all, I would like to apologize. I'm so sorry. I'm so embarrassed. I thought that I was on mute. I didn't know I was muted, and they're rushing me right now to go to the doctor's office. So I was telling them like.
When are you going to pay the
Yeah,
$250?
I could probably pay it to have my. I mean, like I said, I'm in inpatient treatment right now, so I can't just like leave. If I leave, I'll get kicked out of treatment. So I have to talk to them and ask them if they can bring me up there to pay it.
It needs to be paid within 1 week.
1 week? Okay.
I am signing
I'm
the
so
order.
embarrassed.
She is to report for random testing 1 time per week. I've signed that order. She needs to report there within 24 hours. Thank you.
Okay. I'm so sorry, Your Honor. So embarrassed.
Should be.
I am. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Or recalls the case, People versus Devon Davis.
Well, there you have it. Judge Simpson did not like that. I think he was absolutely right. He was very stern about it, but he's got a court. Okay, this next one's just, but it really, in the end.
Well, Matt did his, and I gave a little plug for it, but thanks.
And I might as well do yours. So when you are done, let
Okay.
me know and I will come up and I will change that for you.
Could you change Debbie's too?
I can do everybody's. I have it on a zip drive and I will walk to wherever I have to walk. But she may not like
I
it
said,
since
once-
it will mess up her color.
I said, when Judge Patterson.
I got my ring light. It's
When
okay.
Judge Patterson figures out how to do this.
He did figure it out. He finally said, "Oh, just come do it." And I
And
said,
he
okay.
said, I couldn't. Perfect.
I told him, I said, I tried to do this for you guys last week so you could have it all week, but that's okay.
All
I don't know if
right,
I can have mess with mine.
all right, we should be done here by 2:30.
Well, then I have arraignments. I have 3 to arrange, so I'm waiting on Keith. So
Okay,
let me know and then we'll coordinate.
all right, thank you.
Yep.
Oh, there's your background. You're in the blurred universe.
Yeah, but it looks so strange when you blur it. We don't get a whole lot of options here.
Well, any of the backgrounds make you look a bit abrupt.
Different.
Don't do a cat head.
Oh, there's my goats though. Sorry, switch back. We're off the record. It's okay. Forgot I still had that picture. But you can also add eyebrows to yourself, apparently.
No, I don't. Dave did that the Momentos that thing one day when he had his Disney character. Oh
Look,
my.
you don't even have to do your eyebrows anymore. You can just
No, I
put
don't.
ones on. That's really crazy.
Marks.
I forgot my lipstick. You can like,
Okay, I don't even want to need to know here. We are still on the live feed, so.
no, okay, better not. Oh gosh. Hold on, apply to future meetings. No, I do not want to do that. Close.
I don't even want to know. It's my favorite part. I don't even. Probably a lot of you have seen it, but I hadn't seen it before, and it's fascinating.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Robert Stewart.
North. Hello, sir.
Hi, sir. Violating an injunction, sir. Court finds probable cause. Count 2, you have an open battery, and that's out of this year, sir. Allegedly, your brother got a restraining order
he is
against
my
you.
brother.
And,
No, Your Honor, I'm sorry. Count 1 is from the no contact order from count 2.
oh, okay, well, there's a no contact order with your brother, allegedly, and they said that your brother said you ended up in his home after they told you not to come around. So
Just to advise you,
Go
Your
ahead.
Honor, the pending case stems from September 1st. According to the probable cause affidavit, it states that Mr. Stewart, that Ronald Stewart was entertaining guests for the holiday, September 1st. Robert Stewart attacked him by punching him in the chest, knocking him to the floor. Ronald Stewart advised his brother is unstable and violent. The attack was unprovoked, which was witnessed by the 2 other guests. Ronald Stewart has a serious heart condition, is in fear that his brother Robert will continue to harm him. And then Robert Stewart admitted to the battery, stating that his brother Ronald wants too much from him.
okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set your bond on count 1 at $2,500 based on the court's concern for the safety of your brother and your apparent willingness to violate a court order. Count 2, I'm going to revoke your pretrial release of your bond 14-14369 MM10. You're going to be held without bond on count 2, and the court will order you have no contact with your brother, and that is Ronald Stewart. No contact directly or indirectly with Ronald Stewart. You must stay 500 feet from him at all times. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the front.
I'm a Navy SEAL, sir.
You-
I'm a Navy.
All right, and that's where it all turns south here. He says I'm well, not really. He's already holding him no bond, but he says I'm a Navy SEAL, and this puts me in mind of the video I did from Judge Middleton, where a guy shows up in a military uniform. But that's different. That Judge Middleton was offended that he was using his military service to try to get favor with the court. This, we don't even get there. He, as you'll see, Judge Hurley does not believe his military service, and for good reason.
Navy SEAL.
Are you really?
Yes, I am, sir.
Where did you go?
Retired 50 years.
Where'd you go to?
I went to Hofstra University, Kings Point, and then I went to Subic Bay in
No,
Groton, Connecticut.
Wait, let me finish. Where did you go to SEAL training? There's only one place in the world you can go to SEAL training. Where's that?
Subic Bay.
No, you're wrong. That's not it.
Well, okay. Well, all right. Well, I did it for 50 years, so I knew everybody.
Okay, well, just tell me where you
I'm
went to
50
SEAL.
years.
Okay, I'll
All
give
right,
you a
well,
hint.
It's
Coronado, California, San Diego. That's the only place in the world you
Thank
go to SEAL
you.
training.
All right. Thank you.
You're
Very
welcome.
good weather there. I love it.
I know.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck, sir. Thank you for your service.
I saw G.I. Jane, Your Honor. I knew that.
What?
I knew that. I saw G.I. Jane.
It was good. The defendant knew he was so busted, he didn't even fight about it. He changes the topic to weather. Well played, Judge Hurley.
Well, anybody in the Navy knows that's the only place they train the SEALs is